Using heated tools or a torch to speed up cold tar setting is not recommended and can create safety and performance problems. Cold applied tar cures by solvent evaporation and chemical reactions that require controlled temperatures and manufacturer's specified conditions. For better results, warm the material indirectly by placing the unopened container in the sun or in a warm room for a few hours while keeping it covered to prevent contamination. Work on a warm substrate by warming the pavement surface with sunlight, or by scheduling the job for the warmest part of the day so adhesion improves naturally. Use hand tools designed for cold mix, such as tampers and rakes, rather than power tools that can overwork the material and break aggregate bonds. Follow the product label for allowable temperature ranges and pot life because manufacturers test performance under those conditions, and deviations can void any warranty. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including gloves and eye protection, and ensure good ventilation to avoid inhaling fumes. Common mistakes include applying cold mix on a surface that is too cold or wet, which prevents proper adhesion. So wait for dry, above recommended temperature conditions, or delay the job. Another issue is trying to force curing with direct heat, which can burn binders and produce weak patches, so avoid open flames and instead use passive warming methods. The third common error is failing to compact properly, which leads to raveling, so use even firm compaction with the right hand tools and check that the mixture is properly seated and level. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples and pricing discussions, so we help you find options and compare approaches for pavement repairs. We also provide a discussion community where contractors and homeowners share tips and ask questions, so we support both sides in finding work and solving real job site problems.